dire situation because, as I mentioned earlier, the condition of the roads were terrible. The tar had been uplifted in many of the parts. We had water sitting as but at the same time also causing quite a blockage in terms of